So this is the invisible lace hairline. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, you really can't tell the difference. At least I can't see it on camera at all. And so this is also the texture of the hair. So if you are like me and you have an autoimmune illness or a chronic illness that wreaks havoc on your hair, and you find that you have low density hair, or maybe you're even balding, this is a great unit. So I thought that I would just share that and come in really close again, just so you guys could see how beautiful this hair is. Like, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this beautiful unit I installed in less than 10 minutes by Luvme Virgin Hair. This is a Brazilian deep wave curl, and it is an invisible lace 360 unit that's about 16 inches. I absolutely love it, but I wanted to come in close just at the beginning of the video so you had an idea of what it looks like and what the end results will be. I created a Cardi B inspired hairstyle. You don't have to do that. You can create a hairstyle that is unique to you, but I wanted to demonstrate that you can install this unit in less than 10 minutes and create a style and one that you really like. So I hope you guys find this video to be helpful. I want you to know that just because you suffer from a chronic illness like I do, you know, you have chronic fatigue, or maybe you're just new to the whole, you know, standby hair world, please know that there are options for you. You can install these units in a short period of time with minimal products and go about your day. All right, so let's get to it. So Luvme Virgin Hair shipped this unit to me in this beautiful purple box, which I don't know, I like the details and the vibrancy of the colors. I'm a huge packaging nut, and so I just think this is cute. The unit itself came in this cute little stylish pouch, which I think is great for storing your units, especially if you're short on space. So also included was a wig cap, this guide which gives you tips on how to care for a 360 unit, and then this stylish little pouch which is actually great for travel. It contained a fine tooth comb, a hair wax stick, tweezers, bobby pins. You have 2 clips in here, and then you have an elastic band that you could use to sew inside your unit to keep it secure. Okay, so let's get into this unit. I really appreciate this lace because a lot of times lace will have this like grayish tinge to it, which makes it really difficult to blend in with my scalp. And so this one, like as you can see, is very invisible. So you can see how beautifully the invisible lace blends in with my skin tone, again, not having done anything to it. If you wanted to, you could bleach the knots, but it really isn't a requirement. This is very well done. So the inside of the cap features the comb on the near the left and right temple, or left and right side of the head, and then you have the comb that you would typically see inside units that will go around the nape. So I have already cut the lace off, and I've only had to pluck this wig minimally. It came pre-plucked and it had an amazing hairline. So you could customize this if you wanted to, but if you don't have the energy to do all of that, or you just don't want to do all of that, you really don't have to. So I have trimmed the lace from around the unit. I'm going to put it on and we're going to begin styling. All right, let's put 10 minutes on the clock and let's install this bad boy. So I have my wig grip on and I'm going to put the unit on. As you can see, it goes on super easy. And the amazing thing about this is that the part in the hairline look amazing, like just from jump. It looks beautiful. So I just wanted you guys to see that. To prep the hair, like I just added a little bit of lotion, curl lotion to the hair, and I'm going to use these rhinestones, you know, just to style the hair a little later in the video. I added the Sebastian Shaper to the hair to do the side swoop instead of wetting it and gelling it down, because I wanted to be able to easily transition to a different style, and that was really just wearing the hair down like you saw at the beginning of this video. So I love that stuff because it doesn't make the hair really like super stiff, and the hair is versatile enough that it'll just go with the flow, which is what I liked about this unit.
So when I was putting these rhinestone clips in, I realized that the adjustable strap on the inside of the unit still was too loose. Like, I'm using the combs a little bit on the inside, and I wish that I had done that first before putting in the rhinestones. So I just added like bobby pins in the back. But if you have a small head like mine, just be aware that you'll probably want to just take that adjustable strip out and just sew in an adjustable strap, and you'll get perfect fit. You won't have to use any gel or any glue or anything like that to hold the hair down if you don't want to. I add a little bit of got to be glued, mostly on the top of the invisible lace to lay down my baby hairs, and a little bit under the front of the edge. I really didn't need it. The got to be glued Blast and Stray did a great job of laying down those baby hairs. So I'm just adding a little bit of concealer to make things look flawless. And now I'm just going in with that side swoop, which was like annoying because I had the clips in and I didn't want to take them out. I was really just being lazy. But as you can see, it's still like a really, really pretty style. I had put that bobby pin in because I knew I wanted the hair to lay like that on the side. And just a tip, you can do that to get your hair to lay the way you want it. You just spray it and you are good to go. So that's it. I don't think I did too badly.
And I still have 2 minutes and 9 seconds left. All right. So as you can see, it was super easy. The hair looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. This unit is extremely lightweight. These curls are absolutely gorgeous. To maintain the curls, you do need to hydrate them and then add a product just to seal that moisture in to kind of bring out the curl. Otherwise, you will lose some of the wave. I love the looser texture of the hair because you don't have to deal with tangling as much. I didn't notice very much shedding at all of this hair, and overall I really do like it. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. I will leave links to everything I used to style the hair in the information section below, along with a link to this unit on the Luvme Virgin Hair website. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.